Three companies are in an all-out war to build the robot that replaces human labor forever. And most people have no idea how close we actually are. Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics are each betting billions on humanoid robots. And right now, one of them is already shipping units to real factories. This is not science fiction. This is the $9 trillion race that will reshape every industry on the planet, and if you position yourself right, there is serious money to be made. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Let's break down the three contenders. First, Boston Dynamics. Their Atlas robot just won Best Robot at CES 2026, and it is no longer a research project. It is now a production robot. Every single unit for 2026 is already sold out and committed to Hyundai factories and Google DeepMind. Atlas stands 6'2", weighs 198 pounds, has 56 degrees of freedom, and can lift 110 pounds. It swaps its own batteries in 3 minutes and gets right back to work. And here's the real game changer. Google DeepMind is embedding its Gemini AI foundation models directly into Atlas, so the robot can learn new tasks from as few as 50 demonstrations. When one Atlas learns a new skill overnight, every robot in the fleet gets the update by morning. Hyundai is building a robotics factory capable of producing 30,000 robots per year, starting deployment at their Georgia Meta plant in 2028.
Now, Tesla's Optimus. Elon Musk just confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 is walking around and in its final stages of development. Tesla is converting the Fremont factory that used to build Model S and Model X into an Optimus manufacturing line, targeting 1 million robots per year. The price target? $20,000 to $30,000 per unit, which is insanely cheap compared to Boston Dynamics. Gen 2 Optimus is already working inside Tesla factories, moving battery cells and folding materials. Gen 3 has a completely redesigned 50 actuator hand with 22 degrees of freedom, real-time grip adjustment, and can handle delicate objects. Tesla plans to deploy over 200 Optimus Gen 3 robots at Gigafactory Texas this year. Low-volume production starts this summer with a massive ramp in 2027. Then there's Figure AI, the dark horse. This 2-year-old startup just raised over $1 billion at a $39 billion valuation, backed by NVIDIA, Microsoft, OpenAI, Amazon, and Jeff Bezos personally. Their Figure 03 robot is already roaming their California headquarters, and CEO Brett Adcock says they'll have robots on production lines this year. His most ambitious prediction? Within 24 months, robots will build other robots. And by the end of 2026, he expects home robots that can perform unsupervised tasks over multiple days in unfamiliar environments. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? So, who wins? Here's the honest breakdown. Boston Dynamics wins on reliability and enterprise readiness. They're the only one actually deployed in real factories right now with paying customers. Tesla wins on scale and price. If they hit that $20,000 price point at volume, nobody can compete. Figure AI wins on speed and vision. Their valuation growth, 15 times in 1 year, shows the market believes they could be the Apple of robotics. Now, here's where you make money. First, invest in the supply chain. RBC Capital Markets projects this market hits $9 trillion by 2050. The companies making sensors, actuators, and cameras for these robots will benefit regardless of which robot wins. Think NVIDIA for AI chips, Hyundai Mobis for actuators, and component suppliers. Second, robotics maintenance and integration. As these robots deploy into factories, someone has to install, maintain, and program them. Robotics technician salaries already average $80,000 to $120,000. Third, build AI skills for robots. Every one of these companies needs people who can train robots using demonstration data and reinforcement learning. This is the fastest growing job category in AI right now. The daily life hack? Start learning Robot Operating System or ROS2 right now. It's free, open source, and the foundation of almost every robotics platform. Courses on Udemy cost under $20, and this skill will be worth 6 figures within 3 years as humanoid robots go mainstream. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.